Hello, this is Koil Noshkur from Globeness System Kolkata. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about Globeness System and its training services. We expect that the details provided to you by us will be helpful to take a positive and challenging decision in your academic and professional domain. GlobeNet is a business analytics and IT based training company which understands the gap between the acquired knowledge of the management, engineering student and the industry. There is a gap between the implementation of the education, which is the reason behind the huge unemployment of this time. GlobeNet focuses on the industry oriented training for their students so that their students are always industry ready. The students here vary from MBA, MHA, MSW, MSc of Statistics, Economics, Mathematics and Computer Science, MCom, MCA, MTech, BCom, BBA, BCA and BTech of CAC, IT and ECE department. Our premier educational institute provides the 360-degree learning in 3 steps. Firstly is the in-depth thorough learning and understanding of the subject. Secondly, following industry endorsed curriculum. Thirdly, fully practical oriented training. Not only for students, but this institute is also offering customized training for corporate and organization. Our institution provides the placement assistance to our students and make them face mock interviews so that they become aware of the industry need and prepare themselves for the real job interviews. The lectures imparted by the training professionals help them to secure a decent job. The faculty of GlobeNet provides individual care and highlights the weak point of the students and works on them for betterment. In our organization, enrolled students undergo a journey from being a student to a working professional. Our objective is to become the topmost education institute which provides the students the best direction in analytics and IT industry. Our counseling provides the best guidance to every student. Our institution does not stay stagnant at one place. We also go for the market survey and research which provides us the knowledge of the new technology, new teaching process and whatever that is new in the industry and beneficial for the students are always included in our institute. The trainers are picked from the best analytic companies. We offer training of both IT and analytics. They are subcategorized into 4. They are number 1, summer training and winter training. As time has changed, so is the market. The process of learning should be changed. The demand of the companies is changing and the IT companies should understand the need of updating their knowledge imparting process. To cope with the increasing competition, the organization should include new methodologies and technologies in their courses. To clear the concept of the curriculum, the students from BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, MCA, MTech can go for the 4 to 6 week summer or winter training. Our institute offers courses on Core Java, C language, C++, PHP, MySQL, ASP.NET, Android application development, hardware, networking, web designing, etc. The syllabuses are available on our website. Secondly, live project training or career course training. This training is very useful for the job aspiring candidates. For years, this training process has given success to the candidates. The session our students get with the industry expert help them to understand the intricate issues of the work process. We provide them live projects for working. By that, they gain the similar experience of working in the industry. In this course, the most promising aspect is the project developing process used by the software companies are studied thoroughly in this course. The included subjects are Java, J2E, PHP, MySQL, ASP.NET, Android application development, WordPress, Advanced ASP.NET, etc. The syllabuses are available in the website. Thirdly, major project training. This leading software training and development company provides major project training for final year students. It is for the final year students, so we have designed this course so that they can get 360-degree training to get ready for the job market. This program includes Java, J2E, PHP, MySQL, ASP.NET, Android application development, WordPress, Spring, AdvancedASP.NET. These courses continues for 3 to 4 months. The syllabuses are available in the website, and we also provide analytic training. So now we come to the end of our session. We hope that you enjoyed the session. More informative sessions are coming up soon. If you have liked the session, we would appreciate if you like and subscribe us. Thank you.